Hello there. In this video, we will be looking into the 5 most popular ways on how you can use popular link building techniques and tactics. This can help you successfully grow your brand authority to the next level. Google has really high regards as they are the best indicators of whether or not your website is authoritative or not. Google uses website data, which is a good indicator of whether your website is informative or not. These are extremely good indicators to determine the viability and relevance of your website on certain topics. Google's algorithm, with the help of black hat link building tactics such as link farms and link buying. Google has determined the different patterns with the help of tactics to punish websites that still continue to use these methods. Websites must be creative with the methods on how they effectively utilize different strategies to create a higher volume of backlinks naturally. Websites must always be creative in how they effectively utilize different strategies, which results in a higher volume of backlinks in the most natural method. There are several things to consider, especially when executing link building strategies. This is great especially when you are creating the best strategies to get the highest volume of backlinks in the most natural method possible. When you are executing link building strategies, there are certain things to consider. The major difference between using domains and backlinks. The great importance of link flow. The major influence of digital PR. How to focus on unique referring domains. When thinking about link building, it can be very tempting for you to chase after as many backlinks as possible, regardless of where they come from. This may be beneficial for the first links, and after which you will be able to spot diminishing returns as well. One of the major reasons why this crowdsourcing analogy is extremely helpful is the more authoritative your websites are, the more Google will recognize your website in a negative manner. Link flow is absolutely crucial. The rate at which new backlinks flow into your website is an important factor in the guidelines provided by Google. Google can help you determine how authoritative and trustworthy you are in your industry. This can help you create new content to gain the highest volume of quality links. This ensures that there is a continuous flow of content along with links. Utilizing link building to its fullest potential. Focusing on digital PR is incredibly important for creating brand awareness, which includes outreach to relevant podcasts, especially as a company representative. This is especially great when you are a guest or pitching to digital media in covering a new company story. However, these tactics do not necessarily affect all of your SEO goals, and your website starts gaining backlinks, especially from highly authoritative websites. You need an effective digital PR strategy in improving your digital outcomes in the best manner possible. Value of unique research. For example, for digital marketing, that would be content, social media, SEO, email, advertising, web strategy, and market research. They create unique infographics for each research report and make them highly shareable, with little to no friction. Influence of guest posting. The process of sharing content with the help of hopes of gaining a backlink in return as well is called guest posting. There are many companies that utilize guest posting strategies in producing high-quality content with the help of authoritative publications. Guest posting is incredible as you can successfully improve your organic reach with the help of SEO. You can also improve the organic reach of your company with the help of social media and much more. In conclusion, these are 5 different ways of how you can effectively use link building tactics to successfully grow your brand authority. We hope you found this video informative in understanding how to successfully grow and build your brand authority with the help of effective link building tactics. Thanks for listening.